Dear students of 10th class, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to study the poetic devices or techniques which are used in the poem An Evening Wet with Rain. The poet has used pictorial imagery in this poem. First of all, we try to understand what is imagery. Imagery refers to the use of words, especially in poetry, to describe ideas or situations. Imagery is of different kinds, such as auditory imagery, which is related to the sense of hearing, visual imagery, which is connected with seeing, tactile imagery, which is connected with the sense of touch, olfactory imagery, which is connected with the sense of smell, gustatory imagery, which is connected with the sense of taste, kinesthetic imagery, which is connected with the physical activity. The poet uses visual imagery in the poem. He creates a clear picture of an evening wet with rain, wet windows, doors, and awnings, the wet collar of the coat, water seeping through the poet's shoes, fluttering of banyan leaves with cold breezes, etc., are all the imageries used by the poet in the poem, which leaves a lasting expression on our minds. All these are the examples of the use of rich images in this poem. Then there is another poetic device which has been used in this poem, that is personification. It is a technique in which human characteristics are attributed to an inanimate object. This type of figurative speech is used as a literary device in order to make a piece of writing more vivid and descriptive and assist the reader in better understanding of the text. In this poem, the poet has personified both the moonlight and the moon. He says that the moonlight is laughing and holding the hem of the moon. It is like a lover holding the hand of his beloved. It is a beautiful sight which the poet doesn't want to lose sight of. Similarly, the poet is lost in the happy thoughts of his childhood and he loves to remain lost in them. He feels no hurry to come out of them. So this was all about this poem, An Evening Wet with Rain. Thanks.